Understanding the type code for the HCS Indradrive controllers. The HCS01.1E. HCS is the series identifier. The series number is 1. The design version is 1. E denotes the power supply unit utilizes in feeding. W denotes the cooling mode is air, internal. 0028 denotes the mains connection voltage 03 is equal to 28 amps. The letter A denotes IP20 protection. 03 denotes the mains connection voltage equal to 3x AC 200 to 500 volts. A-CC denotes Advanced Circos 3 master communication. EC denotes interface 1 is an Indradan encoder with a hyperface interface. NN denotes that there is not a second interface. L4 indicates that there is safe torque off and safe brake control. NN denotes no other special design. FW denotes firmware must be ordered separately. Thank you for watching. Wake Industrial is your partner in progress for all HCS repair and refurbishments.